In this video, I'm going to show you how to set take profit and stop loss on Mitrade app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to tap on trade at the bottom. And then when you're in here, of course, you want to select whatever you want to trade and whatever you want to basically set a take profit and stop loss for. So I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to actually go into crypto and I'm just going to select, let's just do Bitcoin over here for this tutorial. Now it's up to you, whatever you want to do. It's the same way in every single asset you try to trade. At the bottom, you then want to select your buy or sell order. I'm just going to tap on buy. And here it doesn't really matter if you buy or sell because, of course, you can go at the top and then change it in here as well. And then here you can select the order type, either market or pending, the quantity, and then the leverage as well. And at the bottom, you can see it says take profit, stop loss, and trailing stop. Now, if for some reason that's collapsed for you like this, of course, you have to tap on set stop loss / take profit and tap on that. And then from here, you'll be able to extend this and then just tap on, for example, take profit, and you'll be able to select your trigger, which could be price, P&L amount, or change in percentages. And then here you can just basically select where you want to set your take profit. The same goes for a stop loss. So if I tap here, again, I have these possible triggers here, and then I can set the price, and then I also have a trailing stop, and this will allow me to basically select how many points, and here, that is it. So after this, you can simply, whenever you've toggled that, tap at the buy button at the bottom or the sell button, and that's how you set a take profit and stop loss on the Mitrade app. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.